Part of any successful operations and maintenance scheme is the monitoring scheme. This allows you to observe a site remotely for notifications, in some cases visual observation, so that you can analyze performance and deliver data and information to operations and maintenance staff. In monitoring, they do such things as track production of the overall solar array, track the health of the inverters, any error codes or other behavior that may be seen from the inverter, monitor irradiance via sensors, and of course, part of this is being able to dispatch personnel to the site should it be required. Another part of operations and maintenance is scheduled maintenance. These include scheduled visits to ensure the solar array is operating at peak performance. This can occur yearly or in some other period as defined by the operations and maintenance solution. This also involves certain physical aspects such as torquing or tightening certain connection points, be it the racking or the electrical connection points, ensuring that zip ties and wires are still in place, cleaning panels, performing similar tests to those done at the commissioning stage, and then, of course, annual inverter maintenance as required by the manufacturer. When considering operations and maintenance solutions for a solar array, one has to take into account component life. After all, nothing lasts forever. Solar panels, inverters, wires, transformers all have a lifespan of between 20 to 25 years. As these components get older, they become more prone to failure. When budgeting the project lifecycle costs, we need to take into account these potential failures. With the majority of arrays across the globe having been installed in the past 20 to 25 years, there's still a lot to be learned in this area. We spoke a little bit earlier about scheduled maintenance. Now let us consider unscheduled maintenance or unforeseen maintenance. These are unforeseen circumstances such as that would be triggered by a drop in site performance or the triggering of an alarm that we talked about earlier. This could be due to excessive soiling of the panels from a storm or other natural event, damage of the equipment from natural events or vandalism, and of course, failure of the equipment. So in summary, monitoring allows for observations of a solar array to be made off-site. Scheduled maintenance are regular visits by a crew to check connections, clean panels, and perform tests to ensure everything is operating as expected. Unscheduled maintenance are visits that are often in response to an alarm that was triggered and identified through monitoring.